Like any good business, we set a goal and monitor our progress towards achieving those goals. Secondly, I chair the membership committee, which is charged with following important tasks: dealing with new members' application, including following up on client referral, dealing with any conflict of interest which may arise within the chapter, administering the policies and procedures of the BNI within the chapter, and most importantly, planning for future growth of the chapter. Can I ask the members of membership committee to stand? Attendance coordinator Clinton D'Souza.
Good morning. Good morning.
Application review coordinator Lavina Pereira.
Good morning.
Mentor coordinator Mamta Prasad.
Good morning.
Referral value and quality coordinator Basti Vikyashanai.
Good morning.
On my right, our Secretary Fatmanab Naik.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is my job to administer the subscription payments of the members and to manage chapter finances.
Event coordinator for training and workshop Shubha Baliga.
Good morning.
Event coordinator for socials Raghavendra Nelliket and Lakshman Kundu.
Good morning.
Power team coordinator Gurudarshan and Yogesh Kamal.
Good morning.
Renewal coordinator Sunil Darpai.
Good morning. Good morning.
Suchita Rai.
Good morning. Good morning.
Rasya Pai Marur.
Good morning.
Thank you very much, dear members. We currently have 665 chapters with over 32,248 members in 79 cities. In last 12 months, members have passed 19.46 lakh referrals, and this is translated to 13,338 crores among the members. Thank you. The philosophy here is summed up in two simple words. Viewers, if you help others to win business, they will want to help you win business.
I don't think so. Any other thing in my life is more important to me than these attending BNI meetings. So one of them jokingly added, "Do you think there are BNI meetings in heaven?" So the other one said, "Heaven is supposed to be paradise. I'm sure there are BNI meetings in heaven too." So they made a pact that whoever goes first will send a message back that there are BNI meetings in heaven. So have you ever seen Mukesh Reddy reading out from a paper?
No.
Every meeting he comes up with something which comes innovative, comes directly from his heart.
ನನಗೆ ಅವೇದಿನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ ಗುಜರಾತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಡಪರು ಇದು ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್
Good morning.
Good morning.
Myself Shubham Kazi from Evergreen Garments and Exports. We are the manufacturers, wholesalers for provincial t-shirts, corporate t-shirts, sportswear, hoodies and caps. We give customized promotional t-shirts and caps for the marathon events with starting price from 100 rupees to 150. Caps from 20 to 50, inclusive of printing. Price varies according to the quality and quantity. Looking for a connection for...
My name is Shaz from Arkas, the family fashion store representing the kids category. It gives me immense pleasure to invite you all for the opening of my new store, Arkas Lingerie and Streetwear for women and kids at Falleen near Malabar Gold.
Representing and e-gifting solutions across India, do you agree that flowers talk effectively than our words? Yes. You can send beautifully wrapped fresh flowers to express your feelings to your loved ones. You can add on cakes, chocolates, toys, anything, the customized gifts to make it more joyful.
This is Saujanya Agriya, corporate event planner from Inspire. The less you see me, the more I'm doing. I've been traveling intensively for the past couple of weeks, Delhi to Agra to Nagpur and back. In course of transit, at the waiting lobby, there was a gentleman who picked up a conversation with me just because of a BNI pin I wore.
If you think how to buy Christmas plum cakes online on My Road Runner without tasting, you needn't worry. We have kept a cake at your place. We are available in night market at Mango Club.
Mahesh Kamath representing Mahesh Engineering Corporation. civil contractors with 16 years of experience in construction and renovation of buildings. Students of Kenda College now attend their classes with more enthusiasm because the classes have been renovated by us in the month of June.
solar atanda Ovidarada pipeline manparitina and Samparka Manpule. Once again, Pradeep Shetty Shisha Enterprises Plumbing Contract.
I am Arjun Hegde representing Arya Building Solutions. Today, Arya Building Solutions is proud to introduce its new interlocks, which has characteristics like dirt pickup resistance, which means...
Good morning, Inspire. Good morning. I am Sunil Dutt, your friendly. Okay, I have a distress sale 3-bedroom flat of 2,300 square feet with 3 balconies, having lift, generator, common parking, and all other amenities for sale at Deepa Arcade next to Ocean Pearl, Vijay, Bangalore. Please connect me to genuine 3-bedroom flat customer looking for a flat at heart of the city. Once again, I am Sunil Dutt, your friendly. Thank you.
This is Ratan Shetty representing Apco Steel International Kottara on behalf of Mr. Farid Qadri. We deal with all types of TMT pumps, that is Tata, SAIL and Vizag. We also deal with all types of structural materials.
My name is Yogesh Kamath representing Plumbing Ka Guru. Before water rationing gets starts in Bangalore, install Supreme Make Amritam water, underground water storage tank and make life easier.
My name is Arun Kumar representing Riyaji Travel Expert. We are the leading travel agent in India. We have a fixed group departures to Philippines and Dubai. Tentative travel date is 24th Feb and 24th Jan to Dubai for DSF offer.
My name is Rajesh representing King & Store. Okay, now you all know that we are drinking which kind of water. Recently, High Court has given a saying that you are drinking an RO water without the minerals. So there is a ban right now, the November 4th. He said don't drink any bottled water or reverse water because it doesn't contain any minerals or TDS or pH.
I am Nitin Badiga, Chartered Accountant. As a Chartered Accountant, I can undertake filing of GST returns, represent GST related issues, accounting services and consultancy services. Once again, CA Nitin Badiga, thank you.
This is Dr. Shreyas, your dentist from LNJ Healthcare. I had a patient who visited me last week, referred by a good nearby dentist. The patient had come home for 10 days vacation but had only last 3 days time to visit a dentist. On examining, he required 5 root canals and 8 crowns and 4 fillings to be done. We had a marathon work and within 3 days the crown was delivered, sending him back with a happy face.
I am Shubha Baliga, advocate. I take up revenue work as well as registration of properties. Registration like sale deed, gift deed, release deed, settlement deed, etc. I take up court cases as well like partition suits, tech bounce cases, consumer cases, matrimonial cases and so on.
Axis Retirement Scheme has launched a new fund offer which has its new with complimentary term insurance. You can invest as low as ₹1,000 per month. NFO closes tomorrow. In case if you need to invest, please contact me after this meeting.
I am Evelyn Regu representing Eagle Eye Resort. We have a resort called Eagle Eye near Sringeri. We have around 78 accommodation which can accommodate 250 people on call, so that you can refer for all groups and corporate people.
This is Nihal substituting for Arjun from Auto Marketing Management, your neighborhood online marketing company. We turn Google searches into hot leads, Facebook views into reach, Instagram followers into loyal customers, and your dreams into reality. Please connect me with people who are looking at new avenues for marketing. Once again, Nihal from Auto Marketing Management.
We help to build the future of the students. 10th, 11th and 12th students are our focus.
I am Ganesh Udpa from VTech Computers. We are into computer, IT, hardware and sales and service. For any type of your monochrome and color printing needs, please contact us. We have wide range of single function and multi-function monochrome, laser and ink tank printers. Please refer us for your family and friends for any printing solution.
It can also be used in places such as cafeteria, queue management and cash disbursement facilities. Please connect me to organizations looking to automate their attendance or payroll management system. This is Kiran from Different Tech Solutions.
I'm Raghavendra from Chase Studio. Chase Studio specializes in all kind of office, education, modular workstation, lab furniture and auditorium seatings. We have various kinds of office chairs, modular workstations in customized size and colors to choose from. Our USP is institution furnitures. We have complete range of desk, benches, library and lab furniture from the institution. Specific ask is connect me to Tejaswini Hospital Purchase Department. Once again, Raghavendra from Chase Studio.
I am Jayashree Rai, substitute for Divya Rai and representing
rice, masala and spices. Once again, this is Jayashree.
Good morning, Team Inspire. I am Simon Lobo representing HVD Appliances, your favorite destination for home appliances. Last Thursday, Mr. Clinton gave me a referral. I contacted the party and the party asked me to visit the site.
I am Subhash Chandra representing Day to Day Digital. We deal with all brand mobile phones and mobile accessories. We have 11 showrooms spread over Mangalore and Udupi district. We guide customers to buy right device according to their needs, and our prices are lesser than online prices. We have finance options like Bajaj, HDB and Samsung. Specific ask, connect your friends and relatives for mobile related requirements. We are open on Sundays too. Once again, Subhash Chandra from Day to Day Digital.
I am Prashant Bhatt Kadapa from BM Batteries and Systems. We are a seller for two-wheeler, four-wheeler as well as high commercial vehicle batteries and also inverters and inverter batteries. So I am the distributor for Exide batteries and we are the dealers for Amaron, Amco, Luminous and Livebird batteries. So for any battery requirement, please connect me to Prashant Bhatt Kadapa from BM Batteries and Systems.
I am Mahesh, substituting for Sandeep Samant from Srinidhi Enterprises. We deal with centralized air conditioning and we have branches at Mangalore, Hubli, Manipal and Shimoga.
Venus, founder and chief designer of Interior. We take up interior design projects, whether it is designing your houses, apartments or commercial projects like offices, cafes, restaurants, etc. We design your interior space beautifully and tastefully with a personal touch that is in your budget, functional and memorable. If you have purchased a new interior space or want to renovate an existing interior, do contact me. Please refer me to your friends, relatives, colleagues, neighbors. Once again, Divya Mascarenas representing Interior.
I am Ganpati Shande representing Kendra Hardware, MG Road, Mangalore. We are into architectural hardware, builders hardware, interior decorators hardware, carpentry hardware. We deal with all international brands, EL, Blum, Affiliate, Dorset, Godrej, Europa, Inox, EPCO. Our products, main door lock, bedroom locks, kitchen door locks, balcony door locks, back door locks, wardrobe locks, cupboard locks, dead locks, pad locks, biometric locks, digital locks, mortise locks, rose mortise locks, mechanical locks, card locks, safe deposit locks, and all types of hardware. Visit Kendra Hardware, MG Road, Mangalore.
Good morning. I am Abhita Prasad representing Friends Plywood Welcome Party. We are manufacturers of resin plywood. We manufacture both marine and commercial plywood. Raw materials we import from Burma. Our plywood brand names are Friends, Fancy, Flash and Fab, and the price ranges from rupees 56 per square foot to 105 per square foot.
Using of single assembly LED as sourcing of unique light designs. Energy cell drivers with 0.95 power factor helping energy cell up to 80%. Using ultra bright highest level LED chip realizing excellent luminous and high bright also. At like 20 watt in the 200 watt ವರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. Once again, I like Mangalore.
I am Sandesh Varanasi from Varanasi Building Solutions. We deal with lighting protection and earthing system. Even though our lighting is of a very short duration, it is a cause of huge damage and destruction. We advocate a total solution approach to lighting protection system, which provides complete protection of the family, employees and building.
My name is Sumanath from Vinayaka Marketing. ಈ ಚುಮ್ ಚಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ ವಿನ್ಸಮ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಪಂಪ್. 200 ರಿಂದ 500 ಜನರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಟರ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ.
My name is Akash representing Master Plannery, a precast concrete manufacturing firm with over 15 subsidiaries and 69 years of experience. We have been providing precast concrete products to various institutions including but not limited to KVG, Expert, NITTE, MIT, Mangalore University, Alvas, Canberra Engineering College, etc.
I am representing Car Decor. Car Decor is one of the best car accessories and modifying store in coastal Karnataka with wide range of options for your car. Thank you.
I am Dr. Sachin Nadka representing Vedam Arogya Ayurveda Hospital, Valencia. The Vedam Arogya Ayurveda Hospital focuses on effective Panchakarma treatments. From joint pain to skin disease, we have treated more than 15,000 patients and we have with many success stories. Once again, I am Dr. Sachin Nadka representing Vedam Arogya Ayurveda Hospital, Valencia. Thank you.
My name is Mohan Raj from Bright HR Solution and Services, Bangalore and Mangalore. If any one of you and your friends get in trouble from PF, ESIC, PT, factory and labor department, please get connected with Bright. We will solve all your queries 100%.
My name is Nitesh. I am representing Poda International School. I am referred by Mohan Raj, Bright HR.
My name is Rajesh. I am representing R&D Automations. We are remote gates, shutters, pump areas. We are the importer and we have a distributor all over Karnataka.
Thank you. My name is Gautam and I am representing Mr. Manjunath Bhandari from Sayadri College of Engineering and Management. We have almost around 10 startups in our campus and 3 reputed companies, and I am a part of DT Labs at Sayadri.
We provide IELTS, GRE, GMAT training. Anybody planning to go abroad, IELTS is must. So we are the best as of now in Bangalore to provide these trainings. We also do corporate trainings and academic trainings. We also help with immigration.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome to KMF Nandini, Prince Pinto to Canara Bank, Roshan Palika to Karnataka Bank. 42,375 and we have passed 514 referral per month average since chapter launch. If referral were cakes, then our visitor would be the Our members are requested to invite minimum 1 business person from any of those categories every meeting. The top 5 vacant categories are cement dealer, fire and safety, generator dealer, life insurance and general insurance.
Our first speaker for today is Mr. Lakshman Kundar. Mr. Lakshman Kundar runs a business called V4 News 24/7.
ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟಿದೆ. BNI ಕೂಡ.
ಇದೀಗ ನೀವಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಖಿತಾ ಪೂಜಾರಿ.
ಇಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಕವಿತಾ ಮಾಣಿ.
ಈ ಸಂಚೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಸಂಚಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಕಾವ್ಯ.
ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸಮಗ್ರ ವಾರ್ತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು
ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಮ್ಮೂರ ವಾರ್ತೆ. ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಹಬ್. ದೈವದೇವರು. ದೈವನುಡಿ.
ದೈವಾರಾಧನೆದ ಬಗೆಟ್ಟು ಪೊಲಬು ಕೊರ್ಪಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
ಜನಮನ. ಶುಭಫಲ. ಪ್ರಚಲಿತ.
ದಿನದ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನಗಳ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಪ್ರಚಲಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ.
ಸುದ್ದಿಗೊಂದು ಗುದ್ದು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಸುದ್ದಿಗೊಂದು ಗುದ್ದು ನೇರ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು गौतम शेट्टी.
कोंकणी भाषेंतली नकेत्रां.
लिफ्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चर खर एका बिल्डिंगाक आसलें ते टेक्नॉलॉजी आपणाची एक नॉलेज धाडण रिचर्ड पेरेरा आनी लविना पेरेरा हांणी सांगता मॅडम 20 वर्सां आदीं आरंभ केल्ली एक आज एक कंपनी डॅन एलिवेटर्स.
ವೇದಮಾರೋಗ್ಯ. ಎನ್ನಾರೋಗ್ಯ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕಿರಣ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮಂಥನ. ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ. ಮೂವಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೀಕ್. ಮಿನುಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್.
ನಾನು ಫ್ಲೈಓವರ್ ఏ పక్క క్లియర్ అప్పుడు
సురుకి నాలైడ్ కరెక్ట్ బగిల్ ఒక్క క్లియర్ అవు
నాలై క్లీన్ మల్పు బక్క పంపల్
అవు ప్లంపిల్ అవి ఏమా
పంపల్ ఫ్లైఓవర్ మరేది అవు యాప సునామీ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಆನಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಪ್ಪು
ಅವೆಂಚ
ಮಂಡ ಸುನಾಮಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೊಳ್ಳ ಬರ್ಪುಜ ಬೊಳ್ಳ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವಳು ಬಸಲ್ದ ದಂಪದಲಕ ನಾಲ್ ದೀತೆರತ ಅವೆನ್ ಕೊನ ಪೆರೆ ಕುಟ್ಲಕ ಶಾಂತಿ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಮದ್ಮೆದವಳು ಪೂರ ಕುಲು ಒಂದು ಬೊಕ್ಕರ್ ಬರಿತಾಡ ಪನ್ಪಿನ್ ಸಾವ್ದ ಆಗ ಬಂತಿನ ಪೊಣ್ಣೆ ಹತ್ತಂದು ಪಾತಿನಿ ಮದ್ಮೆಗ್ ಆತಾಡ ಒಣಸ ಮಲ್ತದ ಪೂರ ಬಿಡೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಪನ್ಪಿನ್ ಆ ಒಂಜಿ ಲತ್ತಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಲ್ತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಸಾವ್ದ ಕಟ್
ಓ ನನ್ನ ನಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೆ ನೀನಲ್ಲೇ
ನಿಗನ ಕಾಲನ ದುಂಬು ಇತ್ತೆಂಚಾತು ಇತ್ತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆತು ನಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ದಿನ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಿನಿ ಮಲ್ತಜಿಡ ಮನ ನನಗೆ ಕುಡೋರಿ ಉಲ್ಲೆ
ಪಕ್ಕ
ಸುರುತಾಗಿ ಬಲ್ಲೆ
ಅತ್ತ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಇರ್ನ ಉರ್ಕುಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೋಕುಲಾಪುಣ ತಗಡ್ಡು ಜೋಕುಲಾಪುಜ ಅತ ಉರ್ಕುಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೋಕುಲಾಪುಣ ತಗಡ್ಡು ಮಿನಿ ಜೋಕುಲಾಪುಜ
ತಗಡ್ಡು ಜೋಕುಲಾಪುಜಿ
ಬೊಕ
ತಗಡ್ಡು ಕಕ್ಕುಸ್ತ ಬಾಕಿಲಾಪುಣ
ಇಂಚ ಈ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಓಲ್ಬೂರುಂಡು
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಓಲ್ಬೂರುಂದ
ಅದೇ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೂಲಬೂರು
ಅಂಚತ್ತಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಓಲ್ ಬರ್ಪುಣಿಕೆಲ್ಲಿ
AJ Hospital and Research Center, Father Muller Charitable Hospital, Bhavani Enterprises, Gold King, Ideal Cafe, Indus Care Equipments, Sri Ratnam Multi-Cuisine Restaurant, Royal Group, VNR Gold, Sri Vedam Ayu Ayurveda Hospital, Volkswagen Mangaluru, Apple, Chakrika Easy Cook Masalas, Digital Planet, Amrita Vidyalayam, Aruna Masala, Ayur Care Therapy Center, Baris Institute of Technology, Black and Black, Hotel Crystal Park in Mysore, Cochin Bakery, Costume Cottage, Deccan Carpets, B. Devdas Ganapati Pai Enterprises, Field Star Hypermarket, Glitz Entertainment, Gold Palace, Heaven Rose, Eye Care Builders and Developers, Jose Alucas, KMC Hospitals, Nitte Justice Case Hegde Charitable Hospital, Kanchana Hyundai, Karnataka Educational and Charitable Trust, Kushal's Fashion Jewelry, MP Silks, Dr. M.V. Shetty Group of Colleges, Modern Kitchens, Nandini, Hotel Ocean Pearl, Olympic Sports, Paris Prithvi Jewelers, Planet G The Mobile Gallery, Rajdhani Jewelers, Renault Mangaluru, Rohan Corporation, SDM Ujre, Sri Manjunatheshwara Eye Hospital, Sharada Vidyaniketana Public School and College, Srinivas Hospital, Sun Premium Refined Sunflower Oil, Automatrix, Vasudev Stores, VK Furnitures and Electronics, Wardrobe Men's and Kids Apparels, Beaumont Hair Replacement, Tribhuvan Hero, Hotel Nirvikalpa, Kanachuru Hospital and Research Center, Kumble Solar, Land Trades Builders and Developers, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, Meetwale.com, SDM Ayurveda, Suchitra and Prabhat Theatre, Car Decor, Vedam Arogya Ayurveda Multi-Speciality Hospital, Evergreen, Ria the Travel Expert, SL Shed Diamond House, Day-to-Day Digitals.
ನಾನು ಪನ್ನಿಲಕನೇ ಪನೋಡು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮಾರಿಲ್ಲ
Comedy Premier League Season 3. Comedy Premier League Season 3 ta B-Pool Suruta Panta.
ఎక్కువ ఓన్ వేలేడిస్తారు
డాన్స్
వర్డ్ అర్థంది
ಅತ್ತೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ
ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂತೀರಾ
ಸುರುಕು ಪಾಟ್ನ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾನೆ ನಲ್ತೀನಿ ಆನೆ ದನಿದೆತ್ತು ದಕ್ಕಿನಿ
ಅಂದ ಅವು ಪದ್ಯವು
ಉಂದುವೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕದಾನಿ ಕುಡ್ಲದ ಅಳಕೆದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುಜರಾತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಡ್
ನೀರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಿರ పోయినవారు జిల్లరే పోదంటే పూర్వ బాకిలు ఓపనితను లేపా పొద్దునగా తూపే మరే మల్లవు దాలైచి ఇంకా తునగా మల్లొంజి కడపి అల్లితండి ಕಡಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕು ತೋಜಿನ ಬೇತ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಕ್ಕ ಇರದಿಯೇ ಸಾವತ ತೆರ್ಪೇರಾಗ್ತೈತ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದನ ನನ್ನ ಚೂರು ಬುಕ್ಕೇರ್ಲು ಬರ್ತಿರ್లేదు
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಲೆ ತೂಲೆ ಬಂಜಿ ನಿಲಿಕೆ తెలుపుಲೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೆ BNI ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Before that, I should thank Zuhil Dattai to introduce me to BNI. Let me introduce to my boss, GMJ Tampi. So he is the founder of RIA Group.
More than 3 years ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ರಿಯಾಗೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಹ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ international.
I am Roshan Baliga representing GD Gurudev Group from Mangalore. I have been in connect with RIA for all my travel needs for last more than 4 years, and they have been giving us excellent service. Even in the late night, if I call them at 12 o'clock also, they get our tickets done. I wish them all the best for their future expansions.
Registration fee is a one-time investment of 4,100 and annual dues of 25,800 plus GST, which is 35,282. We would like you to compare the value of this investment of 29,900 plus GST with the cost of getting business in any other way.
We've been conducting first sports day of our Inspire chapter on 22nd December. It's a family sports day of sports activities for kids and family members. Request everyone to join and make sports day a grand success.
Members, please note your dress code is green, red and gold for our BNI Christmas celebrations on December 26th. We will have some lovely surprises in store. Just like last year, we will have the Secret Santa game. The Secret Santa is when you pick up a member's name, which will be held next Thursday, and we do not reveal it to them until December 26th.